Want to move your WordPress search bar from the sidebar to the header or maybe into your menu? You're in the right place. The search bar is one of the most used features on any site. Its location can make or break your user experience, so let's make sure it's clearly where you want it. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, head to your pages section, and then from here, go ahead and click on the page where your search bar is currently at. And then once you're on that page, I'll simply add my search bar into the page first before we proceed with the next step. So you can drag it or simply click it from the elements section. So in here, you can go ahead and click on this up and down button to be able to place the search bar anywhere on any block that is currently found on your page. So as you can see, you can resize the search bar as well. So this is only applicable if you have the search bar on the body of your content, but if it is on the menu, you need to edit the placement on the menu settings of your WordPress account, and that is how you can basically change location and search bar in WordPress. And that's it. Your search bar is now exactly where it belongs. Like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tips, and let me know what you want to learn next.